Today I share with you how to cook Nigeria okra soup. This is one of the favorite soup you can easily find in Nigeria. We always get this done with anything swallow. Today I share with you how to get this done in professional way. To begin, we are going to be needing red oil. On this pan I have in some hot pepper and ogidokpe crayfish I will blend together. After blending that, I will just take 1 spoon of it and keep aside. Take the remaining one, add it inside the oil and then stir together. Season with paprika. Then over here I have no mangi. Then adding the mangi cube. I make use of 2 pack. Then after adding that, I add in the salt to taste and then stir together. If you haven't shared the video, this is the right time to share this video. If you have been making up it wasn't this way, that means you haven't get it right, guys. You have to try this process and you are going to love okra soup for life. After some minutes of cooking the pepper, this is what it look like. I get that stir together. What I do now is to add in just 1 cup of water and stir together. What I add now is this tilapia fish. I have 2 fish over here. All I do now is to transfer that inside the pot of sauce and then get everything covered. I just add in the fresh fish, then I will cover the fish to cook for 20 minutes. All I do now is to just add in the sauce on top of it like this, then just cover that to get the cook. 20 minutes of cooking this fish, this is what it look like. Over here I have prawns. All I do is to transfer all the prawns on top of the fish, then cover that to get cooked for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes of cooking the prawns. This is what I have. Over here I have crab. I will just transfer the crab inside the soup. I will just transfer everything. So guys, all this has been washed with clean water and salt. So what I do now is to cover the crab to cook again for 5 minutes. 5 minutes of cooking, this is what it look like. At this point, the meat and the crab and the prawns are cooked together. All I do now is to take out the fish from this soup. So I'm just going to bring all the fish out, so keep that aside. So guys, this fish is 100% cooked. You can easily bring it back to the soup. You can as well leave it like this. So that's why first of all get that cooked for 20 minutes. So now it remains the crab and the prawn. Then stir everything together. Add in 1 cup of water again and stir. So I will just cover the water to turn to boil before I will proceed. Now that it has turned to boil, all I do now is to transfer this okra. Over here I have already crushed okra, then transfer that inside the soup. Then give that stir together and let this to just cook for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes of cooking, this is what it look like. So it has cooked so nice. So all I do now is to add in this okra. Look at this one, I did not crunch this. This is just normal slice. I will just turn that on top of it, then add in the remaining pepper I bring out earlier and stir together. I will just get this one just 3 minutes to get simmer and then it's ready to enjoy. Just transfer all the fish on top of the soup. Look at your soup. At this point, soup done, you don't have to waste time in the kitchen. This is going to go well with anything swallow. This is how we cook our Nigeria okra soup. It go well with anything swallow. Look at that. The fish, everything go well and it cooks so amazing. If you haven't shared this video before now, this is the right time to give it a share. Follow this process to make your Nigeria okra soup. This is the perfect way you can always cook your okra soup at home for your family. This go well with anything swallow. Apple, gari, everything is going to go down with this soup. All you got to do is to share. Follow this process. It's going to help you in my next one. Bye.